Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're going to upgrade the headlight bulbs on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata to these LED bulbs from LASFIT. Let's see how good these are. All right guys, check it out. LASFIT sent me these bulbs to try out. They are the H7s, which are the ones Sonata uses for both high beam and low beam. So I have two sets. These are the specs over here, and this is what they look like. They are made out of metal, looks like metal construction or aluminum construction, and they have these vents, see it, to dissipate heat, all these holes, and they also have like a little fan in there, which is pretty nice. They also made to adjust the orientation on these. So when you put these in, these yellow things are supposed to be 3 and 9 o'clock orientation. So you're going to put them in just like that. If for some reason they're crooked, you're able to adjust it by moving this part over here, okay? They look like they just plug and play. And they came with these stickers and instructions. So let's throw them on. All right, guys, pop the hood. And these are your bulbs right over here. You have your high beam here, and you have your low beam right over here. So you just gotta pop these covers, and the bulbs are inside. Okay, the only thing keeping this bulb in there is this clip. You're gonna push it and get it out of the way, and then swing it down. Okay, now you're able to remove the bulb. All right, guys, that's the halogen bulb we just took out. That's the LED bulb. It looks much bigger, but if you compare them like this, they're about the same length. See that? So this one has the tab right there. This also has the tab, and that tab is going to go on the bottom. You're going to put them in just like that. Boom. Next, you got to take out this ring. So what you do is just twist it, and it comes off. Now you're going to put this inside the light assembly and lock it in place, and then you're going to put the bulb in, okay? All right, guys, remember the tab goes on the bottom, and also the flat part goes on the outside. See this part kind of raised? That goes on the inside, okay? So put it in, and then you're gonna take the metal clip it around the top, and that's it. Now that's locked in place. So now we're gonna put the bulb in there. Take your bulb and you're gonna plug it in first. So you're just gonna put this like this, and I would test it first, because if it doesn't work this way, you may have to unplug it and twist it around, plug it back in to see if it works. Okay, you want to shove all the wires in here first. It's a tight fit, but it'll fit. Shove all the wires in there, turn the lights on, make sure this is working. You see how bright it is? Okay, and now we're gonna stick the bulb in there. There you go. And then you're gonna twist clockwise to lock in place. Okay. So this arrow, I don't know if you can see it. So this arrow should be pointing down. See what the dot is? It should be pointing down, okay? Now you can put the cap on. Twist to lock in place. All right, guys, check it out. That's the LED. And this is the halogen. This one's yellower and less bright, and this one's whiter, and it looks much brighter actually. We're gonna do the same thing with the high beams. Plug it. All right, guys, that's with the high beam. That's the other one. All right, guys, you're gonna repeat the process on the driver's side, and that's it. In the video, they look like they're flickering, but they're not. It's just the way it looks in the video. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.